Hello everyone, and welcome to this video series or tutorial series on TradeJournal. In just a second, I'm going to be throwing up the TradeJournal on the other screen so you guys can check it out. But first, I'm going to talk a little bit about what it is, where did it come from, just a little overview, right? So first of all, my name is Alex Winkler, and I helped create TradeJournal and with my company Enslow Inc. If you want to learn about more what I do or what my company does, just check out the video description below. I won't talk about it too much in this video. But anyway, this TradeJournal, this Google Sheet, or this TradeJournal is right now a Google Sheet. And what it allows you to do is structure and review your trading, especially before, during, and after. So the whole the whole process of trading, you could put everything on this Google Sheet and get a little more clarity in your thoughts. So that's really what it's all about. Also, it helps you build some statistics as well. So you can throw up, so after you're trading and you have already a couple of trades, you're going to start getting we're going to review all the statistics, but it's going to basically build you a bunch of cool stats that you can use to then further improve your own trading. So that's a really cool thing. That's what I love using it for as well. Another cool benefit is, we're going to talk about later as well, but it creates a chart. So you kind of see your long-term growth and progress, and that's really cool. So every trade helps contribute to that chart, and then you can really see how your growth is, and also maybe what trades specifically are contributing to that. Is it your day trades? Is it your swing trades? Are your investment trades really the best ones? So it's going to allow you to really separate all of your trades and give you a really clear indicator on your progress. Is there anything else I wanted to talk about? Oh yeah, this is actually the exact Google Sheets, or this is the exact thing that I use in all of my weekly trade reviews. So every week on Monday, I talk about my past trades, what's coming up in the future, what my statistics are, and this is where I get all that information from. So you're going to be able to do the exact same thing and much more, because you can customize this as much as you want. Anyway, that's all for this introduction video. I hope you enjoy this series. It should be pretty short, or I don't know, maybe like 8 videos or something. So yeah, hope you enjoy. See you on the next video.